Hello everyone, welcome to my math class. My name is Daryl Villarin, and in this video, we are going to venture through the chapter known as Communications. As you can see in the table of contents, this chapter contains two lessons, which are communicating efficiently and communicating securely, along with its subtopics too. Each of these topics will be discussed throughout the following videos. Now, before we start, let me ask you this. What is the first thing that comes to your mind about communications? Well, some of you might think that communication is a means to talk with your friends face to face, or send and receive emails, or even long distance live communication. These examples are just one of many traditional communications. In this lesson, though, we will discuss how communication in the modern world performs. I assume that most people like you are already aware of this concept known as digital communication. Now, from this model, observe how communication performs, starting from the sender, encoder, channel, decoder, and lastly, the receiver. This is just a basic model for you to understand how communication works. As you commonly know, the sender is the originator of the message or information that decides what message should be sent to the receiver. After deciding what message to send, the next process involves transmitting messages. Before it was transmitted though, the message is first converted into signals or binary data that will allow the message to cross through a channel with ease. This is the encoder stage where the message is encoded and transmitted. After crossing through the channel and almost reaching its destination, it is then decoded first to revert the message back from its original data conversion before reaching the receiver. After the receiver got its message, the receiver will now respond to the message as it repeats what the first sender does, which made two-way communication possible. The reason why I am discussing this is to emphasize that although digital communication allows reaching people worldwide, not all messages are successful or didn't manage to reach their destination. This is due to the noise that interferes with the channel. Most people that directly communicate with each other outside are bound to experience noise such as animal sounds, moving cars, road workers, and many more that may disrupt communications. This is also applied in digital communication. As message travels through the channel, like the internet, they are exposed to noise such as cross-streaming with other data and transit with other encoded signals, which in the end produce communication failure. Whatever the cause is, it is a fact that data transmission is not perfect. This is where error correcting codes come to play their role. Since errors are inevitable, error correcting codes are used to detect and correct codes. Or should I say, I'm sorry, are used to detect and correct errors, as it is one of the main goals of information technology. As of now, this video lets you understand the basic concepts of communication and the noise, which will be used to discuss the next topic, error correcting codes.